Back to our channel, Life Snapshot, Evelyn, Greg and Muttley. Get off, you dum-dum. Get off, come on, no, we're doing something very important here, no stuffing around now. Alright, so we got some more goodies from the lovely people of Insta 360, our X4 accessories. So here we go, we've opened the box because we got really excited. First of all, thank everybody for subscribing and the comments. Muttley, let go. We really appreciate the support. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the like button, comment, knock yourselves out. We love you all. Okay, here we go. What's this, Bubby? Oh, that's the covers.
The
okay.
screen
I think
protector.
That's the screen protectors, yep, okay. Started off well, I don't even know what we ordered. This is a little holder. Okay, cool bananas. Ooh, this is another carry case. Okay, we'll open it up, check it out. Ooh, a big box. And that's all she wrote. Oh, and we got the underwater cover. So the X4 is, I think, waterproof to 10 metres. This, I think, goes to now 30 metres. Now, we aren't divers or anything like that. We just thought, look, we're spending all this money, why not get the extra protection? Even though we're not going to be diving or doing anything like that, we will want to do some underwater shots. We thought, why not get this anyway? So that was our train of thought. So let me wait for that one. This one here. Okay. Good boy. Okay, so some nice little wipes. I'm guessing you got to wipe it first, but well, dry wipes and wet wipes. Guide sticker. Oh, okay, yeah, I get you. So you probably stick them on the actual screens. There's a little installation booklet and there's the screens. I'm not going to take them out because I don't want to touch them with my fingers. But basically they go on the control screen of the X4. We will do that off camera because I want to do it properly, but there's those. Now, is this just like a little saddy bag? It is, cool. So that's just a little holder. We think that that's going to come in very useful because if you do decide to buy the X4, you know, if you lay it down, because of the weight of it, it wants to roll over or sit on the screens, and if you scratch those screens, they're pretty much ruined. Even though you got the protectors, the little screen covers, I'm trying to look after them, and you should too. So this is so it'll sit upright, which is, I reckon, a great idea. So put that in there. We've already got, babe, you ordered the other hard case, didn't you? We ordered another hard case to put everything in it in one spot, so that's going to be pretty cool. But we decided to get this as well. Maybe we might need something that's not so bulky when we get the thing, or this might be something that we can attach to ourselves for security reasons. Maybe we're just out and about and you just don't know, right? Something might turn up that you want a video and you miss that moment. This is something that we might be able to strap to ourselves and have the thing safely in this case, the X4 safely in this case, and then, oh, something happens and we can just go bang and pull the X4 out and start recording. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's really, really nice in there. So we decided to get that. All right, and it's open there. So I'm guessing you can even maybe charge it, but don't quote me on that. I don't know. I'll find out. And the underwater cover. Oh, I didn't have a thing on it. Okay, that's a bit. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look, I've got to give credit where credit's due. They really do pack it well. It's a little bit of a crushed side there. but they do pack their stuff well, which is probably a good thing because they don't want everybody to get their stuff. It's all going around the world and something's broken and then they've got to sort it all out. So wow, look at that. So boom. Oh my goodness, baby, look at all this. What the hell? Wow, that's very, very well packed. I'm just going to put that aside. Look what that came in. It looks like there's a little Dubawacky things there. But check that out. It's going to be unreal to do underwater, and it just makes me, it's just my own personal feeling of double securing that it's waterproof. I've just got to have that extra level of security when it comes to it. You know, if you're not doing any deep diving, you don't really need this, and that's X360, them saying that. If you're not doing anything below 10 metres, the X4 can handle up to 10 metres. So this is for your serious divers. But when, like I said, we're not like that. We're just going to use this just as a added level of security. That's pretty cool. So, but there's lots of stuff here, man. There's the, put that aside. Got some more alcohol patches to clean. I do not know what they are, but we're going to look into it. And look at this. I wonder what this is. This is another pouch. Look at that. Look at all those. Wow. I don't know. And maybe there's some sort of protection for the... I think that must be some
That's
sort
the
of...
roof.
I wonder what that is, babe. But anyway. And there's these little buffer things here. Not sure. Get a close-up of those, babe. Not sure what those are, but we're going to investigate it all. And, of course, there's the instructions, how to use. And now, just open this one up and we'll call it quits on this video. Oh, yeah, so you can put the whole thing in there, I'm guessing, babe. So you put the camera in that, put the whole thing in that for transport. Loving it. Loving it. Very impressed. Look, we do, there's no sponsorship here. We've paid for all this with our own money. But we do like quality, and we certainly let people know, there's a little thing to go with it, that it is very well packaged and very top quality, as in my opinion. So anyway, that should do. Thank everybody for watching. Please support our channel. We're only a small channel, but we're trying to build. We're trying to get more exciting and creative content. We're new to this. Please comment, subscribe, like. All the best. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers from Australia. Bye.